back. You're watching Young Turks, Ideas Without Boundaries. This week we're putting the spotlight on young entrepreneurs who are betting big on the weather. Yogesh Patil heads the Weather Intelligence Group of the National Collateral Management Services. That's an agri-risk management company. Now, they've been in the business of setting up weather installations or weather stations since 2005. Today, they run almost 800 such stations in 16 states. They've already done a revenue of 4 crore rupees, and they are betting big because they've got clients from the power, telecom, insurance, and even the commodity exchanges. Here's the story of Yogesh Patil.
He's helping Indian farmers deal with weather-associated risks. Heading business operations at Crop and Weather Intelligence Group at the National Collateral Management Services is 29-year-old Yogesh Patil. Incorporated in 2004, NCMSL, an agricultural warehousing, collateral management and certification services venture, launched its innovative weather information service a year later. Starting up with 70 automatic weather stations in partnership with ICICI Lombard, today the venture has installed more than 800 weather stations across 16 states in India.
We ourselves identify the location. We have some guidelines for the site selection as per the WMA standard. WMA is the World Meteorological Organization, which sets all the standard in meteorological areas. Once we set up this weather station, then on the same day it starts its operations. The weather data gets collected automatically. We record rainfall, we record wind speed, wind direction, temperature, humidity, pressure, and few other derived parameters also like dew point, heating degree day, cooling degree day.
Helping over 30 companies across insurance, agriculture, power distribution, commodity exchanges and even government organizations, NCMSL today has grossed a turnover of 4 crore rupees. Generating profits by selling weather data, providing value-added services like preparation of isotherm maps and historical data cleaning, NCMSL charges its clients 1,500 to 5,000 rupees per month to provide its solutions. So what are the challenges in managing a venture that predicts the unpredictable weather?
The challenges presently we have is basically the communication part. We have the maximum number of stations in northern India, specifically Bihar and Jharkhand, where the infrastructure is really very poor. Okay, we still depends. My maximum station still depends on the old technology. Like we make use of fax modems, the BSNL telephone lines, or the AC power connection to transfer the data from such kind of states.
And now NCMSL is venturing into crop yield forecasting. Using satellite images of fields under production, Yogesh and his team of 45 forecasters can predict the maturity of crops and its yield 1 month in advance, helping various government organizations like the Food Corporation of India plan better. Also on the cards is a project Educate India, where Yogesh plans to integrate the network of weather tracking stations across the country with online education tools and distance learning programs by 2015.
We have a target that by 2013 we want to be a one-stop shop for all the weather risk management services. For that, we already started working on the weather forecasting applications. Apart from that, the product has been already launched in terms of this remote sensing and GIS applications. We do provide monthly, fortnightly reports to our clients on the yield prediction and the crop area estimation.
Well, let's hope the monsoon keeps its date with us this year. On that note, it's time for us to wrap up this special episode. Do remember to send us your feedback and your comments. Our email address is youngturks@network18online.com. You can catch the highlights of this show on our online partner, yourstory.in, and you can catch up with the Young Turks team on Twitter. See you next week. Till then, have a great week.